Let's just unbox this Tukzer dongle. One thing I forgot about telling you that Tukzer has launched two devices for internet mobile SIM card. One is a USB one, and this is a Wi-Fi one that has a inbuilt battery. I mean, removable battery over there. You can easily remove and insert, and you can use. But it's a good thing. But you have just put charge it and put down and use. Enjoy the internet. Now just open the box and check out what's inside this. Unboxing time. Okay. Nothing else. Battery, charging cable, micro USB to USB. User guide. Tukzer Wi-Fi dongle 4G LTE mobile Wi-Fi user manual. Size. Three indicators are over here. One tactile button. User branding. Charging port. Details. A cut for opening. Just opening the device. As you can see, check out over here, that's the IP address and the Wi-Fi and the password. Other details are provided over here. You can easily check out over here, and it has just a SIM card slot over there and no SD card or nothing else. Options are over here. It's a very bad kind of thing, but who use the SD card on these type of devices? Please let me know in the comment section below. You can easily reset this device from over here. Just insert the battery first of all and just switch it on, and after that you have to just keep pressing this sub button so that easily you can reset this device, and easily you can do so. Now just insert the SIM card and battery and just start the device, and we can check out that how it's working. Tukzer RGB LED. And I just want to check out it in my phone that it's connecting or working or not. Just checking out. I'm gonna just check out the internet speed of this device, but keep in mind that it depends on area or which SIM card you have. SIM card provider has speed. In my area I just found this 10-11 Mbps is the speed. If we find that, then it's okay. Otherwise if it's very less than that, that means it's very bad for us. So let's check out. As you can check out, the speed is of this dongle is I think very good for my area, and I think it will be for you too. But now we're gonna first of all talk about the price of this product. I have just purchased on 2700 rupees. If you want to purchase, the purchasing link is given in the description. You can go there and buy that product. Now first of all talk about the pros of this product. That the pros are over here is that it's great to work. Just insert the SIM card, set up it, and after that forget. Just charge and reuse, and its battery just lasts about 4 to 6 hours. It depends on the usage, because how much devices you have connected, how much data you are uploading, downloading, or it depends on that. If you keep on surfing, it can last for a few more hours. Now just talk about the cons. There are no WPS button over there I found, and this is a big problem for this device. It keep on flashing. I don't know why and what the reason was over there. You can't even switch it off from over here, and you can't switch it on. You have to just remove the battery and insert again, and you have to just switch it on again. I don't know why it keep on flashing like this, and don't even show the Wi-Fi in your mobile phone, laptop, computer, wherever it don't able to search. It's not able to searchable. This is the problem. No SD card slot is over there, and one thing is also very important, that its user interface for setting, changing the password or anything else is very laggy, very kind of not that good, if I say honestly. And if you want to buy, it works flawlessly if you just insert the SIM card, set up it, and forget about everything. If you don't need anyone to block or change the Wi-Fi again and again, then it's good to go. But otherwise, think twice before purchasing this product. Link for purchasing given in the description. Buy this product, and if you like this video and unboxing of this product, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.